can't to make that grass is slick as dick, dude. Hey, we're gonna find the supply crates. They're over here somewhere. Whoa! We need somebody with the light. Take the left, what's behind you? Got you! Hell yeah! Good job, Cam! Fucked him up. Alright, let's go. Shit, nothing. I can't see shit. Got him! I got him! Dude, scared the shit out of me. I didn't even aim, I just shot. Yo, we need to find those ammo cans, dude. All right, let's go. Dude, we shot like 6 of them. There we go. Here we go. All right. Got it? Got it. Go. All right. Take this. Come on, Josh, follow me. Turn the light on. Watch your back. All right, come on. Just hold it, watch me, I'm empty. All right, got you. Yeah, we got one ammo can so far. So do we. All right, we put by the tire. How many ammo cans do we have left? 2. Just 2. Hey, check. Yeah, we found one. I found one. All right. We gotta find. There's only 2 though. Let's go. Yeah, we need to go back there. Hey guys, we're gonna split. Watch out. Watch the side. Dude, I don't got anything. I got. Watch, he's coming. Down one gun. Go. You guys find another one? Yeah. Whoa! Hold on. All right, we're surviving so far, knock on wood. So I think we're doing a good job. Guys, listen, we're going out the front. Josh, you guys go out. Okay, we got back. You guys front. What are we gonna do? Come with me. Oh my God! It's there! Where's that? You got it? All right, just fall back. They're empty. All right, I'm reloading real quick. Guys, there's one has to be over there. Camera, come up here. It's right here. You got it? Yep, I got it. I'm going in. Y'all just drop it off. Y'all just drop it off. I got you. That's game. That's game. Woo! Woo! Feel wild! All right. He's pretty. So this has been pretty crazy so far. We actually ended up having a bunch of military guys come in here. For the next part of this, they're actually going to be doing a lot of yelling out like tactical orders and stuff like that. This next one's going to be really interesting, and I'm actually really excited to see how these guys play out being in the military. So let's see. Not 5.56. I will shoot myself so fast. All right, remember the objective. We just got to get in here, get the fuck in here, and get the fuck out. Hey, stay up at the ready at all times. What the fuck? Hey, stay fucking alert. I don't know what the fuck that was. Contact's low. Clear all your corners efficiently. Multiple contacts straight down the hill. Check tree line. Zombie. Nope. Hey. Hey, Aiden, watch out!
Hey, scan these tree line. There's too many of them around here.
Box! You got a box? Got a box! Keep it tight, back up. Hey, get tighter, get tighter, get tighter. I don't know what the fuck that is over there. It's about to get fucking murked.
2 contacts, rear. See you there, fucker. Rear. 2 contacts, fuck, rear. Right there, spot.
Down. Suppressing jump line. Watch out!
Got him. Good shit.
Watch low.
Fuck out, dude. That was bad, bitch. Hey, yo. Make sure you're checking the ground. Is that the fucking juggernaut? Fuck that motherfucker up. Let's go. Come on. Fuck him up. Wait. Where's Chris? Chris, get the fuck over here. Form up. Chris dead. Chris? Oh, fuck, dude. There's no way. Move it. What? I'm missing. Oh, fuck. Woo! Humans got dead. Oh my god, my knees. Alright? Yeah, I'm good. That was just dope ending, dude. Yeah, Yo! You wow, dude.
Pistol ran out of CO2. Oh shit.
That was dope.
I had literally.
Yeah, man.
I miss being a human though, on the real.
Oh, my
Zombies is fun, but I miss being
You were out and I was like, okay.
I want to get back.